Hello friends, today I wish to discuss one useful thing in Excel, and that is to protect the Excel file. Suppose if I want to make Excel file read only, then how exactly I should do that. Okay, so let me explain that. So go to Review tab, simply click on Protect Sheet. Here give some password here, password to Unprotect Sheet. I have given some password here. Okay, again I have given password. I am re-entering the password. Okay, now if you see, if I try to make any change here, if I try to type something, it will give me the message that the cell or chart you are trying to change is protected and therefore read only. So in this way you can make the Excel file read only. Now obviously you will ask how to again unprotect the sheet. That is also very easy. Again simply go to Unprotect Sheet, enter the password. Okay, now see here, I can make the changes. So in this way we can make the Excel file read only. I hope you like this video, and if yes, please subscribe to my channel so that you will have access to the videos which will be uploaded in future also. Thank you.